I'm back. I wasn't gonna do another video today, but there's so much I forgot to tell you about. I'm gonna eat my salad in this big old huge bowl. I found it in the office. I don't have a big enough bowl to like be able to mix the salad up. This is the salad. It's a Caesar salad kit. I hadn't had much of an appetite, which is one of the things I wanted to talk to y'all about. I don't know what was wrong with me this past weekend, but I was very fatigued. I felt bad, almost like I had a low-grade fever. They do not give you enough cheese. So my stomach was also feeling pretty yucky. I don't want to get too graphic. There has been a stomach virus going around, but just a couple of the other symptoms I had that I don't necessarily want to get into. It literally could have been so many things. So I had already planned if I wasn't feeling better by today, I was gonna call the doctor, but I am feeling so much better. One of the things that was bothering me over the weekend is my abdomen was tender to the touch. That's gone today, so that was probably the most concerning thing. Ain't no way I'm gonna eat all of this. Got my salt and pepper shakers. For those that were asking, I am feeling so much better today, and thank y'all for your concern. Y'all are so sweet. And that envelope that I showed earlier in that video, it was gone like within the hour. Sometimes I forget that people that are local watch me too. I want you to know, I didn't even notice that was decaf until after I got back in the car. This was the only coffee they had in the whole store. Well, I take that back. They had regular coffee. This was the only K-cup style coffee that they had in the whole store. I've been bringing my own coffee to work tomorrow. I'll just use that one if this ever happens again, like if I'm in a pinch. I probably need to cut back on the caffeine anyway. That is so good. This is that cherry limeade poppy. It's so good too. This was a good choice for lunch. I've barely ate anything all weekend long because I just felt yucky. And I already don't eat that much because I'm trying to shed a few pounds, you know. I talked to y'all a couple months back and told you what I was trying. They're weird about talking about it in a video though, so you can message me if you want to know. But it makes you not hungry at all. So I already don't eat that much. And this weekend I basically didn't eat anything. I had one bite of that fish that I fried. One bite. I still cook for Caden and for y'all. I just know every time somebody walks by, I think I'm in here pigging out in this huge bowl. I think the Caesar salad kit is my favorite one that like comes in a kit like this. Oh, get on there. I love a crouton. And if you're wondering why you have to turn the volume up on my lunchtime videos, it's because I'm in an office environment. I do have my own office, but there's another office right next door and people that comes up and down the hall, so I try not to just disrupt everybody by talking at full volume. So just turn your volume up. I forgot to tell y'all, I enrolled Caden in a couple like Bible camps this summer. So we're gonna have to do without him for like a week at a time every time he goes to one. But he's gonna love it. That's some of my most favorite childhood memories was when I went to church camp. I'm trying to remember what all I was gonna tell you. We're both getting our bottom braces on Wednesday. Even more for food to get stuck in. But it's working. I can feel that my teeth have moved. It ain't gonna take mine long. He'll probably be in them for a few years. Can't think of nothing else. I hope y'all are having a good Monday, if there is such a thing. I love you. Stay classy.